Right, I know what I'm sitting on here. This is a duplex in the city of Parma for under $160,000. Probably within 10 hours of this video going live on Holton-Wise TV, I'm going to have 15 offers on this sucker, right? All right, y'all, I got a big opportunity for you in Parma. We're going to move through this one quick because this bitch is going to sell quick. 6618 Thornton Drive, coming in under $160,000. This is the only duplex in the entire city of Parma that you could buy for less than $160,000. It is a former rental property, completely vacant. Both tenants have just been moved out, so you could buy it completely vacant. Obviously, the tenants just left. No rehab has been done after they're leaving, so you're going to need to clean up the mess. You're going to need to refresh those units, get them back ready to rent ready, or maybe you're trying to live there yourself, or maybe you're trying to house hack it, whatever you got to do. But in exchange for you putting the units back together, getting it back into tip-top shape, you get the opportunity to buy it for less than $160,000. Now, as far as getting into the property to see exactly how much money it's going to take you or how much work it's going to take you to get it rent ready, all you got to do, if you're local and you're close, is reach out to my team, sales@holtonwise.com. If you would like to work directly with us, you just reach out to us and we'll get you in there same business day if you hit us up before 5 o'clock. If you'd like to hire your own real estate agent and you want to work with your own real estate agent, that is cool. A couple things to note, though. Number one, you'll need to work out with them prior to reaching out to us how much you're going to be paying them for their services. Don't come knocking on our door thinking we're going to pay your realtor to work for you. That's not how this game works, okay? And I assume they ain't going to work for you for free. So once you and your real estate agent have figured out how much money you're going to pay them to have them represent you, you can have them reach out to us to discuss the showings and stuff. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'll have it in the MLS for them. It'll be available for them in the MLS. So if you reach out to a realtor, you could hire yourself a realtor, and then that realtor will be able to get the showing instructions directly from the MLS. I'll have it in there for them. And if you're reaching out to a real estate agent and they are unable to figure out how to get those showing instructions to you, of course, just have that real estate agent call me and I'll walk them through. I'm just kidding. No, I won't. That means they're fucking stupid and you probably shouldn't be hiring them. Let me save you the time and effort. If you hire a real estate agent who's unable to figure out how to get these showing instructions from the MLS that they are a member of, they are probably fucking stupid, and they are going to cost you money in what could potentially be the biggest investment of your life, right? Your house is usually the most expensive thing you ever invest in, so you don't want to hire that person. So if you find yourself a real estate agent that can't figure that shit out, I suggest you move on to the next real estate agent who should be able to figure that out. If you're out of state and you can't physically get into the property, don't you worry. We're all about transparency here at Holton-Wise. After I'm done talking, I'm going to give you the complete uncensored video footage of the inside of this property so you could see exactly what the units look like, exactly how much work you're going to need to do to it. It's going to be set up for you to just like view it just like you're walking it yourself or you're doing like a live Zoom call or something like that or like a Facebook Live with somebody, okay? No sales pitch, no none of that. Just here's the fucking shit. Here you go. Like, I'm just giving it to you, right? I know what I'm sitting on here. This is a duplex in the city of Parma for under $160,000. Probably within 10 hours of this video going live on Holton-Wise TV, I'm going to have 15 offers on this sucker, right? So, no lowball offers. Have proof of funds when you submit your offer. If your offer is going to be with a lender, make sure you're already pre-approved. If you do need lenders, I do have them for you, so reach out. But you better have good credit and good income if you want to take this one down. So again, if you're trying to save money and you don't feel like hiring a real estate agent and you want to work directly with us, we'll process the whole transaction for you and the seller. Or if you're hiring a real estate agent, have them submit their offer and have them get the showing instructions off of their MLS. And let's do some business. Sales@holtonwise.com. Out-of-state investors, stick around for the unedited, uncensored video tour now.
6618 Thornton Avenue. Roof looks good. Nope, it's locked. Carport. Basement. This is a duplex. Like a partially finished basement. A couple of computers in here. Got left behind.
New basement?
Yeah. Gotta recalibrate this thing way back to the office. That was weird. Here we go. Down and up. Around the corner, we should have a couple furnaces. Derek was using it earlier, so I got furnaces. This one looks a little newer. The up furnace. They'll still work. Nobody ever comes down in this basement. There are spider webs everywhere. Newer hot water tank for the down unit. And one for the upper unit. And then we'll go right into the down unit. Yeah. Kitchen. Bathroom. Needs a new shower arm. Bedroom. One down here. Access to the back porch. Bedroom 2. On this side. sure what this was. I think the tenant had something taped up here, but that's a newer window. And then giant living room, dining room. Huge. Yep. Then we'll go out the way we came. Closet. Shared front door. Oh God. Ugh. Jesus, dude.
Be happy to get some fresh air after this one.
Oh God. Living room, dining room. Ugh, so it's like dog shit everywhere. Ugh. Well, this room doesn't smell as bad.
Not always pretty stank though.
Kitchen. Both sides. Whew. This hallway is alright. Bathroom. Vanity. Yeah, outside of the smell, it's in relatively okay shape. Bedroom 1. Oh. There's only one bedroom up here?
Yeah, that's what we're going to
Looks like we might have a slight leak somewhere on the roof. And then this goes out to the back patio thing. I'm not gonna step on it because it's like terrifying. But patio. People next door got a whole house attached to their garage. I see that every day. I could ever saw.
I mean, if I had been outside, I don't know if there was shit outside. That's the problem.
I don't think it ever saw the light of day.
Relax.
Yeah, that's fine because I'm just gonna go out there. And nice and close to porch. It's actually quite nice. Although, I'm not sure as well for that, but I like that fixture. It's a quiet neighborhood too. I think that's a coal chute. And cut.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton-Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.